wasethu ukuthi tuyakuphi
Alright.
yeah but wasethu
Sister, ilanga elikhulu namhlanje bedlala iSoweto Derby ne. Bengicela ukubuza ukuthi phakathi kweChiefs nePirates uhamba nani? How do you feel? Usizwa kanjani ngama results namhlanje?
bengazi
Usuredi vele. So i-message ongayitshela ama supporter weKaizer Chiefs lapha yana eyipi mhlambe njenge supporter lePirates?
bafethu kukanti lengizwele akunani ake akusizi ukuthi hey chief bathi akusizi bafethu akusizi ayibereki nje ayibereki baka nanga toka ngikeza Chiefs lokucina wasikhuluza Kaizer Chiefs basengitheka ngakubaka ka wena Thoni ngeke libaka bani
Ibaka lokucina bafowethu esigama gebhula ngithi niyabona sisi into engithandayo ukuthi yazi wonke umuntu wesifazane esame-interviewile namhlanje wePirates uyasho ukuthi mina I am a loyal fan ePirates.
I didn't get this shit. I didn't get this. It's a man is all about high school, right? Very cool. Chiefs. Now say Kalwani to be a beat or Kalwani. No.
Okay, sisi bengicela ukubuza nje just ama question ayi-3 ne uzosiphendulela wona honest. Yeah, okay sister. The question yokuqala ithi since kuyi-28 zakaFebruary ne and February sonke siyazi ukuthi it's a month of love. Eyiphi i-message ongathanda ukuyithumela kwi-ex yakho mayibukele le interview?
Bafethu labu ithola mmawu awunangana mmawu kahle kamo labu uthola kummawu libakabeni ngwana mmemo ngoku asithole labu yena phila ifu uzalile phila abantwana bakho bafe labu yewu ngoba ngeke bathi bayithola labu ayiyo
Sister,
get a movie ngifuna lento ngibukela the movie too much ayikho
okay, sister, another question mhlambe engizoyibuza ukuthi abantu abaningi ne bayitshela ukuthi abantu abahamba igroup abantu abangekho right not knowing ukuthi this is where the fun is ne. So if
Moriata aritsibane ne but to create until ya hona mo asuke batla wena build anything mara guys arichacha number 1 abe naso kuthi abeka mawuthi so wacho lapha wakhalwa but yakreke njoba ya church
sister last month
akibuya church
if you had to choose between a group nokuthi uhlale endlini nobaba ungakhetha
group one way waya arinengibala bana besu uphilo kwathi ngokubeyile kai life is short
sister cela ukubonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho ne asibonge kakhulu ukuthi usiphe lesikhathi ukhulume nathi nama-viewers wethu into yokugcina ngizocela yona ngicela ukuthi usikhulumele nabo ukuthi basubscribe kwi-Kidem podcast basisupport
bafuna subscribe angihle ayasupport neka ke re bana besu follow share comment and stuff wakhalwa unale follow ubani umuntu umbona TV wamfollow asomona TV generation is kanjani what amfollow hey bana bawethu basabophilo wake bawuthola ubeka sithunye banoza amaphilo
sister siyabonga kakhulu ne ube nobusuku obuhle mama ne asibonge kakhulu siyabonga.